Hey everyone! Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful tool that's designed to take your ideas and turn them into professional quality AI video. You know that feeling when your vision just gets lost in translation with AI? Well, if you've ever felt that, you're definitely in the right place. So let's kick things off with a problem I think we've all faced with these new AI models. There's this huge, frustrating gap between the amazing idea you have in your head and what the AI actually spits out.
You've been there, right? You have this brilliant concept, you type it in, you even use words like epic or cinematic, and the result is just flat. It's generic, or it just completely misses what you were going for. And it's a super common problem because we're not speaking the AI's native language. This slide just lays it out perfectly. On the left, you've got a simple business idea, an ad for a new coffee brand. But on the right, that's the language that an AI model like Google's Veo3 actually needs to hear. It's this super specific technical jargon. We're talking dolly-ins, shallow depth of field, anamorphic lenses. It's not just about what to show, it's about how to show it in the language of cinema.
So how in the world do we bridge that gap without everybody having to go to film school? Well, that's exactly what this tool is built for. The best way to think about it is as your own personal AI film director and translator.
And I want to be really clear. This is not just another chatbot. The Veo3 Prompt Architect is a highly specialized creative assistant. Its one and only job is to take your concept and meticulously translate it into a high-fidelity prompt that the AI can understand and execute perfectly.
Okay, so what makes it so special? Well, it basically acts as your creative co-pilot. It's specifically fine-tuned for Veo3, and it's fluent in all that cinematic terminology. But here's the absolute killer feature. Bilingual fluency. You can describe your whole idea in your own native language, and it will build that final, complex, technical prompt in English, which, as you know, is often key to getting the best results from these models.
So how does this all work under the hood? What's the secret sauce that makes sure you get a great result pretty much every time? It all boils down to a really smart and structured workflow.
This right here, this is the heart of the whole system. The architect doesn't just guess what you want. It works off a detailed 11-point checklist that covers everything a real director would think about. It digs into the scene, the subject, the visual style, and, most importantly, things we often forget, like camera movement and lighting.
And this is where the tool goes from being just a form you fill out to a truly intelligent assistant. I mean, it's easy to forget a key detail when you're caught up in the big idea. So what happens if we miss something critical?
Well, instead of just moving on with incomplete info, the architect actually stops and talks to you. It'll notice the gap and ask a helpful question, helping you to flesh out your own vision. It really becomes a collaboration, making sure no important detail gets left behind.
The whole process is super straightforward. First, it analyzes what you've given it. Second, it intelligently asks for anything that's missing. Third, and this is so important, it always keeps you in control. If you're in a rush, you can just tell it to skip the questions. And finally, once it has what it needs, or you give it the green light, it generates the good stuff. Okay, so you've gone through the whole process. The architect has all the info. Now, this is where it gets really incredible. It doesn't just hand you back one single line of text. It gives you options.
First up, you get a cinematic version, for that high-end, professional, really dramatic look you'd see in a movie theater.
Next, it gives you a stylized option. This is where you get that artistic flair, something bold and really memorable that just pops off the screen.
And third, you get a minimalistic take. This one's clean, it's direct, and it's really focused on your core subject for that modern, elegant vibe.
So the main takeaway here is that from just one simple idea, you get 3 totally distinct creative directions to choose from. The cinematic is packed with pro jargon for realism, the stylized pushes the boundaries, and the minimalist gives you that clean, focused alternative. It's all about giving you choice and creative power.
But honestly, this is the part that takes the architect from just being a tool to being a true creative partner. The output isn't just about solving your problem today, it's designed to make you a better creator tomorrow.
So along with your prompts, you get this custom glossary. The architect actually points out the technical terms it used, things like dolly zoom, and then it explains what they mean. So you're not just blindly copying and pasting, you're actually learning the language of filmmaking while you work.
And to top it all off, it gives you an actionable coaching tip. Just a simple piece of advice on how you could make your next prompt even better. It's like it's actively invested in helping you improve.
So let's pull all this together.
What does this really mean for you or for your business? Well, it's about fundamentally changing your creative workflow and, of course, the quality of your final videos. What this system does is it takes you from having a vague idea to producing a high-fidelity video. It totally eliminates the guesswork and the frustration of prompt engineering. It ensures you get professional cinematic quality, and it massively speeds up the whole creative process. But I think the best part is that it empowers you with real filmmaking knowledge. So, for any business leaders or creative teams out there who want to bring this kind of precision and efficiency into their work, this tool is pretty much the answer. If you're ready to turn your vision into reality, the person to get in touch with for implementation is Elias Koulores.
And that about wraps it up. I'll just leave you with this one question to chew on. If that language barrier was just gone, if you had an AI that understood cinematic language perfectly, what would be the very first story you'd bring to life? Thanks for tuning in.